If you have any questions about your TV repair, please leave a comment in the comment section below this video. Be sure to include your TV brand, TV model number, and the symptoms and problems that your TV is showing. This information will help us to best diagnose the problem with your TV and suggest a fix. We will reply to your message as quickly as we can. After we reply to your comment, you should receive a notification in your email account. Be sure to check the social and promotion tabs and the spam folder in your email. Thanks, and we look forward to assisting you on your TV repair journey. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently and carefully release the clips from both sides of the housing. Pull the plastic cover off the housing. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the bulb to the housing. Some housings will have a vent in the front and some will not. Here's an image of the housing with the vent in the front, and here's an image of a housing without a vent. Either way, remove the screws that attach the bulb to the housing. Remove the metal bracket. As an optional tip, using a piece of tape, mark one side of the harness and make a note as to whether you remove that harness piece from the front or the rear of the bulb. Using a needle nose pliers, release the top piece of the harness by unscrewing the nut on the bulb. Then, use a screwdriver to release the other harness connection on the bulb. These bulbs have differing connection points. Connect each point of the harness to the connection point on the bulb that it can reach. After connecting the harness to the bulb, be sure that the rubber is not touching any point on the bulb. Reinstall the screws to secure the bulb to the housing. Double check the harness to be sure it is in the correct place so that it will not obstruct when you are connecting the 2 pieces of the housing. Reconnect the 2 pieces of the housing. Thank you for watching one of our many tutorials here at ShopJimmy.com. If you have any further questions regarding your repair, simply post a question in the comment section below. We strive to learn and share new TV repair tips every day. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and grow with us. Share our videos with your friends to help us spread the savings, and don't forget to hit that like button.